Namaste. Namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and today I'm here to just extend my gratitude to anyone that joined me for day 5 of the 7-day free yoga immersion that happened on YouTube recently, the Chakra immersion. So this was an immersion that happened across my channel and 4 other channels on YouTube. I want to thank those of you that participated, and I really hope that you experience the benefits of immersing yourself in the wisdom of the chakras, the elements, and the teachings of yoga over the 7-day series. I'm going to link the playlist to the whole 7 days below in the description of this video, just in case you might have missed it. It's not too late to move along through those practices, and just know that you can come back to them anytime. I'm also very excited to let you know that at this point in time, this is August of 2025, the Embodied Wisdom 200-hour online yoga teacher training, Hatha yoga teacher training, is open for enrollment. So this only happens once a year and spaces are limited. This is a special training near and dear to the hearts of all of the faculty at the School of Living Yoga. And so this training, as I said, it's online and it's self-paced. You can really take things at your own sort of rhythm and timing and honor your life, your schedule, whatever you have going on. If you're receiving this invitation, you can take this as a sign. If you've been thinking about taking a yoga teacher training previously and you're not sure how to fit it in, the online nature of this program creates such flexibility that this training and this yoga teacher training becomes very accessible to those that have busy lives, families, jobs. Maybe you are someone who needs to moderate your energy levels and those types of things. The community gathers for the first time on September 20th of 2025. So it's not too late to join us, but don't delay if you're considering this. What I'll also do is put a link to testimonials below so that you can hear what our graduates are saying about this training and just how special their experience was. We are really, really looking forward to welcoming this year's cohort. We know that it's going to be magical and just so wonderful. It's always a beautiful journey to witness. And this journey, if you really loved diving into the chakras over the 7 days of the chakra immersion, then what's super special about the Embodied Wisdom teacher training is that it is designed to flow through the chakras one by one each month. It's a 9-month container that we hold throughout the training program. But the first 7 months are centered around one chakra each month. So it's really quite a deep dive into the wisdom of each chakra. We start at the root from September to October, and then we move all of the way to the crown chakra. So it's really just such an intelligent way to flow through the program as you are deepening your practice, as you deepen into the wisdom teachings of this 8-limbed path, this Ashtanga. And we're here for you. There's lots of support. It's a global community. We have trainees from all over the world, and it's such a nurturing and supportive environment for any learning style. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can leave me a comment below the video, or you can find in the description a link to book a call with me if you're interested in applying. We can have a little one-on-one chat casually and go from there. So I hope that we will see you in September. If you are interested in taking a 200-hour yoga teacher training, I hope that you'll consider the Embodied Wisdom teacher training. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video on my channel soon. Much love.